Once the heater is out of the box, stand it upright and slide the body of the heater onto the stand. Next, feed the gas hose down the neck of the heater and rest the top part of the heater onto the top part of the neck. Make sure your holes are aligned, then screw in the bolts. Once you attached your propane tank and lit your pilot, you're ready to turn your heater on. Press and hold dial in for 15 seconds, then with right hand press the red ignition button. Flame should ignite. Once your heater is lit, choose low or choose high. The heater has an effective heating radius of 6 feet. Propane is not included.